Hi Micafam, Myra here, and for today's video, 3 months na naman na nakalipas simula nung tayo nag-invest dito sa Ginvest by Gcash. And of course, as per your request, ito na yung ating 3 months update nitong ating Ginvest, guys. So, very excited akong i-share to sa inyo kasi so far, okay yung naging performance niya on the 3rd month. Alamin kong bakit. If you're interested, please keep on watching. Guys, by the way, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung Ginvest videos ko, links will be in the description box below. Check it out. Guys, magsimula muna tayo sa local funds. And for the local funds, nag-invest po tayo ng 200 pesos for each investment product. For the Philippine Equity Smart Index Fund, first month guys, from 200, naging 194 pesos na lamang po ito. So, bumaba po ito ng 3% from the capital of 200 pesos. On the second month, naging 201 pesos na po ito. So, tumaas po ito ng 0.85%. And on the 3rd month, guys, what do you think? Tumaas ba siya or bumaba? On the 3rd month, naging 209 pesos na po ito. Ibig sabihin, tumaas po ito ng 4.5% from the capital po of 200 pesos. Wow, good job! Now, for the peso bond fund naman po natin, on the first month, from 200 pesos na capital natin, naging 204 pesos na po ito. So, that is 2% po na increase from the capital of 200 pesos. On the second month, bumaba po ito ng very slight, naging 202 pesos na lamang po ito. Pero kahit ganon, mas mataas pa rin po ito from the capital po of 200 pesos. So, on the second month, meron po tayong 1.39% na increase. And on the 3rd month, guys, let's see. Kasi first month, medyo mataas. Tapos bumaba ng very slight on the second month. On the 3rd month, naging 206 na po ito. So, that's a 3% po na gain on the 3rd month. Okay, so far so good with our local funds. Ngayon, proceed naman tayo sa very exciting part of all, itong ating global funds, guys. So, let's start with the Global Technology Feeder Fund. On the first month, guys, meron tayong capital na 1,000 pesos. And by the end of first month, naging 1,037 pesos na po ito. Ibig sabihin, tumaas po ito ng 3.7% from the capital of 1,000 pesos. Ngayon, on the second month, nagdagdag po tayo ng 1,000 pesos and from the capital po of 2,000 pesos, naging 2,031 pesos na po ito. Definitely, mas mataas than the capital of 2,000 pesos, pero kung ikukumpara natin ito sa first month, medyo bumaba ng very slight yung ating second month po. And on the 3rd month, guys, wow, I'm so happy to say na naging 2,091 pesos na po ito. So, that's at 4.55% po na increase sa ating capital of 2,000 pesos. Wow, good job! And finally, guys, for the Global Consumer Trans Feeder Fund, on the first month, from the capital of 1,000 pesos, naging 939 pesos na lamang po ito. So, that's at 6% po talaga na binaba from the capital of 1,000 pesos. On the second month, mas mababa pa siya, guys, than the first month. Naging 926 na lamang po ito. So, that's at 7% po na baba. And on the 3rd month, guys, very nice kasi tumaas siya, guys. Naging 976 pesos na po ito. Although mas mababa pa rin siya from the capital po of 1,000 pesos. I believe it's getting better. So, from the 7% po na baba from the capital, naging 2.4% na lang po yung binaba niya. I believe may itataas pa po itong Consumer Trans Feeder Fund po natin. Ngayon naman, guys, titingnan natin yung ating funds as a whole po, alright? So, on the first month, meron po tayong total investment po of 2,400 and naging 2,374 na lamang po ito. Ibig sabihin, bumaba po tayo ng 1.08% on our first month. On the second month, guys, nagdagdag tayo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating Global Technology Feeder Fund. So, yung total natin na capital is 3,400 and on the second month, naging 3,316 na lamang po ito. Ibig sabihin, bumaba po tayo ng 1.18% on our second month. Now, on the third month, 3,400 pa rin yung ating total capital and naging 3,482 na po ito. Ibig sabihin, tumaas po ito ng 2.41%. So, ayun guys, on the first and second month, medyo hindi maganda yung naging performance ng ating funds. Pero on the third month, nakikita naman natin, hindi na siya negative guys. 2.41% na yung ating gain on the third month. But of course, it's only third month guys. Now guys, please take note ha, na aggressive po yung risk rating ng halos lahat ng investments dito sa Ginvest. Meron namang moderate, meron ding conservative, pero halos po ay aggressive. And when you say aggressive po na investment, ibig sabihin high risk po ito. Highly volatile po yung mga funds. Therefore, invest only what you can afford to lose guys, alright? If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. Subscribe kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe. Be part of Micafam. Road to 50K na po tayo. So, thank you so much and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.